Hi, good morning. Do you need any energy and spiritual healing session? Do you want to change? Do you want to change your energy? Do you want to ground yourself? Do you want to be more focused? Do you want to release stress, the daily stress that you have? Do you need to take any decisions and you are confused? You don't know what to do? Do you have any pain in your body? Do you have tried many therapies? Have you've tried with the doctors, etc., and there is nothing? And do you want to try my energy healing sessions? What happens many times is that doctors don't see anything because it's a blockage of energy. And this blockage of energy, really, you can remove it. And with the technique I have created after 25 years of experience, I can really confirm that it has really amazing, amazing effects. I am a Reiki master practitioner and I was teaching before. I don't teach anymore. I have studied several healing therapies. I have studied clairvoyance, meditation, a lot of all the things related to palmistry and the energy of food. I have practiced macrobiotics for many years to really feel the energy. So I have created this chakra aura technique after all these experiences of my clients, the results, and I decided really to teach it as well. I can help you, and you can visit my website where you can see some testimonials written and some of them in video, and an example of how amazing and how people really have been cured somehow is that there was a woman who came years ago, or in London 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and she had a stroke, and then all the right part of the body was really paralyzed somehow. So she came to for the consultation. She came with a doctor because she couldn't really walk properly. And after a few sessions, 5 months after she came for another healing session, which came with higher heels, incredible, incredible. She came with the daughter, but this time is because after her, the daughter also wanted to have an energy healing session. I have many cases of other things, as for example, pain that was always there. People who went to the doctors and they don't find anything, so everything looks like okay. And that was due to emotional blockages. So I work with the energy, with the aura, with the chakras. I release all this energy, I scan it, I test how is the energy of the aura and the chakras working. And then I really project and give the energy that the person needs. I don't put more energy than it should and less energy that it should. So I work really with the cosmic energy and different kind of energy, the spiritual energy, with the energy of the earth and all the energy that really is around us. I have another case, for example, that was really funny, but depending on the problem, the sessions are different. Because in case, for example, of somebody who gets burnt, I had somebody, a colleague from work, so I was doing two jobs, energy healing, and I was working in an office years ago. And this colleague got burnt, because, in the offices, this boiling water that you have for tea and for coffee. Well, he got burnt the hand, and well, so I told him, don't worry, because he was coming already for healing sessions with me. So I said, as you believe in what I am doing, so don't worry, it's going to be okay. And every 2 hours, 2 hours and a half, I was working with his energy field for a few minutes. And at the end of the day, he only had red here at the top, between finger and finger. And the following day, nothing. So really incredible. Then I invite you to visit my testimonial page in my website. My website is www.aura and, so two A's, aura and chakra healing.com. And Carmel Sastre at gmail.com is my email, and you can also contact me through WhatsApp. I was in London, now I'm in Spain, so my WhatsApp, if you want to send me a message, is 0034649 543, no, 649. Well, I will write you because I don't remember it. So I will write it below the video. Okay, so you can contact me by email, by WhatsApp, and you can visit my WhatsApp. Well, I am looking forward to seeing you, helping you, and transform your energy. You take care. Bye bye.